irate. So for today's video, i-feature natin or ipapakita natin yung iba't ibang level ng pagiging irate agent. Kasi ang pagiging irate agent, hindi lang siya merong isang emosyon. So iba't ibang level siya. So merong exage, merong simple lang. So ipapakita natin sa video na to kung hanggang saang level nga ba aabutin yung pagiging irate ng isang agent. So, yun guys, sana magustuhan niyo yung video na to. So, simulan na natin. Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you?
Hello? Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, how may I assist you?
Hello, can you hear me? Speak up! Hello?
Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you?
Scammer, give me back my money.
Oh, hi, how may I assist you?
Give me back my money.
Hi, how may I assist you?
Again, give me back my money.
Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you?
Give me back my money, you're a scammer. You charged me for a late fee.
My apologies for that. So, how may I assist you?
I just want my money back, scammer. Scammers.
Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you?
I want a supervisor. You're all stupid.
My apologies for that. I totally understand where you're coming from. And let me help you with this matter, okay?
No, I want a supervisor. You're all useless. You're just wasting my time. I want to talk to a supervisor now.
Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you?
I want to get my money back. You charged me for a late fee, but I always pay on time.
Nothing to worry,
Scammer.
sir. I'll be the one who can help you with this matter, okay? So, for me to be able to assist you, can you please provide me your phone number, please?
No, I just want my money back. If you're not going to give my money back, I will sue you.
I understand, sir, but I need your phone number so that I can pull up your account.
For what? To get more money from me? No way.
Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you? Hi, how may I assist you?
Stupid. I'm so mad. Very, very mad.
Sir, I understand your frustration, but for me to be able to pull up your account and provide you the proper assistance, may you please provide your phone number, please?
What for?
Sir, yes, I need to pull up your account so that I can provide you the proper assistance that you need. May you please provide the phone number, please?
I already gave it to your supervisor, but she drops the call. Are you sure you still want my phone number?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Did you get it? Did you get it? Hey,
Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you?
write me the answer on my problem.
Sir, sir, I totally understand your frustration, but for me to be able to provide you the proper assistance, may I have the phone number so that I can pull up your account?
I already gave it to your colleague. Can you please just ask her?
Again, sir, I totally understand your feelings on this matter. For me to be able to provide you the assistance that you need, let me get your phone number, please.
Again, I already gave it to your colleague. Ask her.
Thank you for calling customer service. This is Josh. How may I assist you?
Hello, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir. How may I assist you?
Okay, great. I want to speak to your supervisor now. Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? I want to speak to your supervisor now.
Okay, sir, I understand your frustration on this matter. So let me help you with that. And may I have the phone number so that I can pull up your account?
I will not give any information to you. I want to speak to your supervisor.
Sir, I need your phone number so that I can pull up your account and check what's the status of the account.
Again, I will not give any information to you.
So,
Supervisor, I need your
I
supervisor.
understand you, but I
Supervisor.
need to pull up your account. May I have your phone number, please?
Again, no.
Ayun nga mga ka-irate, so nakita natin na yung iba't ibang level ng pagiging irate ng isang agent. So may simple, merong obvious, pero kung meron pang hindi na feature na alam nyo na ginagawa din ng ibang irate agent. So please comment below para malaman natin kung meron pa tayong pwedeng gawing part 2 sa mga additional na level ng pagiging irate agent. So but today, sa video na to, yun muna yung na-feature natin. So sana nagustuhan nyo. Thank you. Bye for